Introducing Sheetalji, a remarkable woman whose journey of self discovery and empowerment has inspired countless individuals. From her early experiences in singing to her transformative transition into an image consultant, Sheetalji's story is one of the resilience, passion, and growth. So join us as we delve into her past, exploring the support systems that propelled her forward and the challenges she has faced along the way. Through insightful discussions on balancing familial responsibilities, navigating the societal expectations, and advocating for gender equality, Sheetalji offers valuable insights and wisdom. So brace yourself for the impact as she will going to inspire you for your journey by her journey and empowered by her words on Talk Through Thursday. Today, I'm honored to host you on the show, Sheetalji. Namaskar. कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Barkha. It's been an honor to be here on this platform and I'm interacting with you. Namaskar. Namaskar to you and namaskar to all the viewers who are watching us.
Thank you so much. So, can you give a bit of about your past and your experiences in life?
So, let me start with this. When my past, I take you back to my journey from my school days, which is, my father was in the army. I'm an army brat. So, we've never been stationed in one place ever. So we've pretty much lived a nomadic life. 3 years, हर 3 साल में, how it is army में transfer हो जाता है. So you go to a new place and you build new friendships. And when you're a child, जब आप छोटे होते, it takes quite a lot to build, new friendships and stuff. तो इसके दोनों साइड हैं ऑफ द कॉइन. एक तो ये कि आप थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं एज अ चाइल्ड, दैट एवरी 3 years you are unstable. On the other hand, like they say, every cloud has a silver lining. On the other hand, you become so adjustable. आप फटाक से नई जगहों को अडाप्ट कर लेते हैं, एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. दैट क्वालिटी कम्स इन. सो yes, that quality has really been a very very good quality कि आप कहीं भी जाते हैं तो आप एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं. And from there to my college, to my school, I can't really name one school. I have been from various schools, from केंद्र विद्यालय to army schools to convents. जहाँ जो मिला वहाँ वैसे पढ़ाई करी. And finally college in Dehradun. And yeah, so that was my pretty much past journey. And I've been into arts from the very word go as a child also. But never did I realize that I will actually end up being a singer. So yes.
So, catching the word singer here, I've heard quite a, notes of yours. So they were
Mhm.
so fantastic and fascinating to hear, and you are so melodious. When I say
Thank
that,
you.
I'm saying it my true heart. Trust me, you are so good. So your
Thank you.
journey as a singer is like truly inspiring because I'll just speak about it. Could you take us back to your very first experience with singing and support system that
Yeah.
propelled you forward? And of course, reaching Mumbai at 40, like I've mentioned, that is true inspiring. Like
Yeah.
reaching Mumbai at 40 must be a game changer for you. And how did you shape that path? Can you tell us about that?
Definitely, Barka. आपके questions बहुत well formed हैं. So yes, my journey into singing, has been like I did my vocals from college. I'm a music graduate. And my father pretty much wasn't very much interested in me following music because perhaps उतना exposure नहीं था तब during the times when we were growing up, and vision भी उतना बड़ा नहीं था. So following music था कि कुछ और career कर लो, take it as a hobby. That was how it was. But yes, I'm lucky. I'm one of those lucky few who are actually living their dream. who are actually following their passion and who are earning from that passion. So I'm really blessed, and I really feel very, very blessed, and I'm grateful that, at least every day I'm looking up to doing something with my life, with my singing, keeps me motivated. Another thing is, द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रिमेंबर, मेरे जो सबसे पहले गुरु हैं, श्री पवन नायडू जी, उनके यहाँ पे आई हैड एनरोल्ड फॉर सम, कुछ इवेंट था उनका, तो वहाँ पे एक फॉर्म भरना था, वी हैड टू फिल अ फॉर्म. तो उसमें दे हैड रिटन ऑक्यूपेशन, राइट. टिल द टाइम आई वाज सिंगिंग एज अ हॉबी, एंड आई हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड वेंचरिंग आउट. तो व्हेन वहाँ पे ऑक्यूपेशन लिखा, तो आई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम रोट सिंगर. यू नो हाउ इट मैनिफेस्ट्स, पीपल से कि मैनिफेस्ट होती हैं चीज़ें. आई डिडंट नो आई वुड be where I am today. So I wrote singer there, and I really owe it to him because he really nurtured me and he really polished me till a certain, a couple of years, almost about 14 years. And yes, once I did यहाँ पे shows किए दिल्ली में, abroad we were having shows, really nice ones. We used to come up with really nice, storyboard shows. ऐसे कुछ shows हम लेके आते थे. People in Delhi and all over, they used to really look forward. Then moving to Mumbai at 40 was when मुझे लगा कि okay, I have a daughter. तो मुझे लगा कि वो अब ऐसे स्थिति में है जहाँ वो खुद को संभाल सकती है, and she's big enough. Lot of duties with the house, you know how it is for married women, and especially married women of our age, right? And from where we come, सब कुछ सेटल करके, देन एट 40 इट वाज अ वेरी डेलिबरेट थिंग दैट आई सेड कि भाई अब रह गए कुछ ही साल वेयर आई कैन रियली डू व्हाट आई वांट टू, because I have my own dreams, I have my own passions, so I need to, you know figure out for myself that whether I can achieve. And thankfully my family has been very, very supportive. My in-laws, my husband, my child, my parents, अगर उनका सपोर्ट सिस्टम ना हो, एंड दिस इज, यू नो ये अभी की बात नहीं है, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट नाउ. दिस इज ऑल्सो अबाउट, द एरा वी आर फ्रॉम. बहुत ज़रूरत थी उस समय इस सपोर्ट की. अब बिकॉज देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वर्किंग लेडीज, ऑल द गर्ल्स इफ यू सी आर नाउ वर्किंग, तो उनका एक वो सपोर्ट सिस्टम बना हुआ है. For me, we had to create, and I was lucky enough that I got that system. I went to Mumbai, started working there each day as it, one step at a time. And yeah, the result is, touch wood, pretty good, as you see. So yes, अच्छी रही जर्नी.
आपने मेंशन किया अभी अबाउट योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर फैमिली, योर गुरु in the starting, right? So balancing, like you have just mentioned, balancing personal and professional life is no easy feat. और जहाँ हम इस सोसाइटी में रह रहे हैं, इंडियन सोसाइटी, इट्स ह्यूज टास्क, राइट? सो आपके एक्सपीरियंस में आपकी रिलेशनशिप इन लॉज के साथ, आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ, इट वाज वेरी फैसिनेटिंग बिकॉज दे सपोर्टेड यू as a daughter-in-law, right? But how did you or how have you navigated your journey as a woman? Because उन्होंने तो आपको support किया, but how did you find your way? Please हमें उसके बारे में बताएं.
Definitely. So, बरखा, लेट मी टेल यू दैट जब बहुत सपोर्टिव है फैमिली, उसके बाद भी आपकी अपनी स्ट्रगल्स होती है, राइट, एज अ वुमन. और डेफिनेटली होती है, बिकॉज अ लॉट इज एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ अ वुमन, राइट. शी इज एक्सपेक्टेड कि भाई देर इज अ चाइल्ड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ, देर इज अ हाउस यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ, देर आर रिलेशंस यू हैव टू मेंटेन. तो बहुत कुछ. इट इज़ वेरी अनलाइक अ मैन who gets up in the morning, gets ready, gets out to work, and comes back at night, right? Of course, they also, when I'm away, my husband does take care of other things, but it's not, like detailed ऐसा नहीं है. So it is like ठीक है, everything is there. I really have good workers with me, and I'm full of gratitude to have my support staff, जिनकी वजह से मेरा everything seamlessly चलता है घर. So yes, it is difficult, and it seems like a very fantasy, or it seems like a very thing, but yes, you have to go through your own struggles. Yeah. Then ऊपर से when you are shuffling between two cities, right, Delhi and Mumbai, then वहाँ पे to keep yourself sane, and you to keep yourself motivated, when you are going, when you have gone new, you are reintroducing yourself as a singer. आप यहाँ पे कुछ अच्छा कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे you are a brand, but Mumbai is a different feat altogether, right? तो वहाँ पे to make your mark, it's not an easy thing at all. So you have to just be at it. And I think जिस चीज़ ने मुझे मोटिवेट किया और जिस चीज़ ने मुझे रास्ते पे रखा, फोकस रखा, वो ये था कि I am away from my family to achieve something. So each day has to be productive. Every day, one small step. So I did not, I think even for a day, felt lazy, and I didn't kind of, just said, ki, okay, aaj I'm tired. No. Because I could have chosen to be tired and stay at home and do nothing, but then किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The world around won't matter. सिर्फ मुझे एक दिन कम, मेरे लिए एक दिन कम हो जाता productive day. And I used to get only 15 days a month in Mumbai, because other 15 days I used to be here. So it was, yeah, it was some kind of journey that I've lived. And when I look back, I really think to myself कि मैंने कैसे किया, but I did. So yeah. So, and I found really good supportive people in Mumbai also. People understood where I came from. And yeah, अच्छा था यार, nice. The fact that you are on a journey, it is important to enjoy the journey, right? You have a focus कि हाँ मुझे वहाँ पहुँचना है, but you can't be so focused that you lose the sight of the journey that you are. So you should enjoy the journey. When people tell me, Sheetal, it's such a struggle, I don't find it as a struggle. I really like it. I'm like, okay, I'm on my toes. I'm doing something worthwhile. I'm enjoying my work. कहाँ लेके जाएगा रास्ता वो प्रभु जाने, but at least I am enjoying. So I'm enjoying the journey, so to say.
And this is a very beautiful way to put कि हमें journey को enjoy करना है rather than like
Definitely.
reaching to the destination, because at the end हम सबका destination एक ही है, like if we see spiritually in that
Yeah.
aspect. So
True.
why
And there
not enjoy
is,
it? Yeah.
yeah, sorry to interrupt you, but there is this song of mine, अभी release पे है, it will come soon. There is a line in that which says कि है ये सफ़र तेरा मगर पहले से तय रास्ता, right? So it is, we should, the earlier we know this and we accept this कि हाँ ये, everything is destined
Yeah,
to be. You can only put in your best efforts. That's it, right? And go with the flow.
definitely. But
Yeah.
जैसे कि आपने कहा acceptance, right? Acceptance जब तक हम में आती है तब तक तो हमारे आसपास जो expectations है वो बढ़ चुकी होती हैं, right? The societal expectations, especially being a woman, right?
Yeah.
Particularly in terms of education and marriage, right?
Definitely.
And we like try to prevent it, but it's not. It never goes away, right? And it never goes off sight also. We need to tackle it, handle it, and then we can only accept what we are and brings about a change in us. So how did you navigate these expectations? And what are your thoughts on the importance of financial independence for a woman? Because you are an epitome of it right now, and we are getting inspired by you. So, आपके लिए कितना
So,
important है ये? इसके बारे में बताएं.
so navigate ऐसा है बरखा, navigate आप till a certain percentage ही कर सकते हैं. You really can't really navigate the entire thing, okay? Because with societal expectations, with the expectations of family, with everything, you can't change their expectations. You can only mold yourself. आप खुद को बदल सकते हैं. आप किसी को बदल नहीं सकते, राइट? लोगों की आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, जहाँ तक आप पूरी कर सकते हैं, एटलीस्ट इट अप्लाइड टू मी, वॉट एवर आई कुड डू with the purest intention, I did, right? Which I could not, I could not. There was no way I could do things, and I didn't take a pressure of it, because the world is out there trying to give you guilt on everything, right? Working woman, mom guilt. You are not a good mom. You are working there, not taking care of your child. If you have old parents or old in-laws, you're not there. So yeah, I am there whenever I am required for whatever thing. I make it my best. I'm the only artist who is not performing for festivals. That's where our earning comes from, major earning, right? But I prioritize family over such things. New Year's, I'm at home enjoying. Dashera, Diwali, I'm at home enjoying. Holi, I'm at home enjoying, right? So that is my conscious decision which I have taken. But having said that, as an artist, ideally I should be out there performing, and I should be out there. But yes, but this is something which I have taken on myself. So this is how I am navigating. कुछ आप छोड़ें, कुछ वो छोड़ें, और एडजस्टमेंट्स करते चलें. Life is about adjustments. Having done so many adjustments, you don't know whether you applauded, you don't know whether you are being criticized. That's okay, take it in your fold. Chalte chalo, get ahead, because in the heart of heart, you did your best. You cannot make everybody happy. So when you can't do that, make yourself happy. Right? At least owe it to yourself, right? So I feel each one of us is an individual. हमें प्रभु ने जन्म दिया है इंसानों का. So the first and foremost thing जो हमें करना चाहिए is to love ourselves. Self love, right? खुद को आप बहुत सर्वोपरि प्यार करें. जब आपका कप ब्रिमिंग होगा ना, then you can give that love freely to other people, because you are not reeling under this ki, oh, I'm myself not full of love for myself. Then you can give it out freely to people. तो इतना तो you should, this you should do for the Lord, that He has given you a life. So yes, that is my mantra. Love yourself most, and then love all other people with all your heart, right? एंड लोग क्या कहेंगे, देयर इज अ थिंग ना, कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, भी हम सोचेंगे तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे. लीव इट फॉर देम.
डेफिनेटली आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही. और इफ वी डोंट फॉरगेट दैट भगवान जी ने, लॉर्ड ने, दो प्राणी इस दुनिया में बनाए हैं, एक औरत और एक आदमी, फॉर सम रीजन एंड फॉर पर्पस विच वी आई थिंक आई हैवंट एक्सप्लोर्ड येट. And it's about to, maybe somebody will one day. But उससे पहले, the reality is men are also here in the society, right? So the dynamics between men and women, both at home and in professional spheres, we're evolving it, like unfolding it each day, because we are after the unknown, right? Because हमें ज्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है, हम हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ explore करते हैं. So how important it is for women to be with someone who adds value to their lives. जैसे आपने बोला, सेल्फ लव इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और हमारा ग्लास जब तक भरा है लव का, तभी हम दूसरों को पोर कर पाएंगे. डेफिनेटली अग्रीड. बट एक साथी भी होना चाहिए जो हमारी जिंदगी में ऐड वैल्यू करे, रादर देन हमें डिमोलिश करे, राइट? एंड द सपोर्ट्स which inspires us to keep moving forward. So what's your take on that, and how do you believe men should adapt to the changing roles of women? Because पहले women, आपने जैसे अभी मेंशन किया था कि हम एडजस्ट करते साथ में चले और ऐसे ही जिंदगी गुजर जाएगी. बट पहले औरतों को ज्यादा एडजस्टमेंट्स करनी पड़ती थी. आज के टाइम में चीजें चेंज हो रही हैं बिकॉज उनको अपनी इंपॉर्टेंस पता चल रही है, वो स्टैंड लेते हैं. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन how the men should be contributing to the changing roles of women in today's society, and should men be more involved in household chores and responsibilities? उसके बारे
No,
में.
definitely.
बताएं.
Definitely, I totally agree to this. देखिए, women and men are two genders which complement each other, right? They are there to complement each other, and इसीलिए प्रभु ने रचना करा था कि ये complement करेंगे एक दूसरे को. One has been given enough strength. One has been given, you know, the he is the provider, right? The other has been made soft. The other has been made full of emotions so that she can nurture, right? Now, if we complement these things, then things are beautiful, right? But having said that, nurturer does not mean कि आप, you have to respect the nurturing then, right? I'm talking about back, phases where I see my mother-in-law, right? She's a beautiful nurturer. Okay, she's always been a housewife and taking care of everybody else before her. But I really feel that that should be really respected, and respected also in terms of emotions, also in terms materialistically. Why women stepped out of their houses was that they did everything at home and they were never appreciated, applauded, or even materialistically provided with, right? They were so there was, like, my father had once told me that the women in the earlier era were dependent on their fathers, then they were dependent on their husbands, and then they were dependent on their children or sons, to be in particular. In those times, now they are children. So I really believe now कि ये बदलना चाहिए. This should change, right? Women should be financially independent. आपने जो एक क्वेश्चन मुझे पहले भी पूछा था, they definitely should be financially independent so that they can take their own uh, stand on certain things, and they should always be partnership should be like a 50-50 partnership between a man and a woman. Agreed? जहाँ पे in workplaces, at home, जहाँ पे gender specific चीजें हैं, right? There are some gender specific things. A woman can give birth. That's one of the biggest gender specific thing. A man can't, right? A man maybe will be able to, pick up like a huge amount of weight. A woman not necessarily can. A bodybuilder woman can, but not every woman can. So ये कुछ कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं, right, which are different. Finances usually men are very good at. I'm not saying women aren't, but very few women as compared to men. But yes, ladies now have to get up. उनको finances understand करने चाहिए. बहुत सारी चीजें बरखा. If we start talking about this, like you see so many, I still see so many ladies, so many women who come to me and say कि हम अपने in-laws के लिए इतना कुछ करते हैं. We go ahead and do so much for our in-laws, which is expected, and they do out of love. But how come the son-in-law does not do the same for his in-laws? Right? He's cordial. He's lovely to talk to. But why is he not doing? He's also a son to them, ना? जैसे आप डॉटर हैं अपने इन लॉज के लिए, और तो फिर वो भी तो सन है ना अपने इन लॉज के लिए. व्हाई डजंट ही डू? तो ये कुछ चीजें हैं विच रियली नीड टू चेंज. दिस थिंग्स रियली नीड टू चेंज, एंड ये चेंज कौन करेगा? द जनरेशन दैट वी आर, the mothers that we are now. So we have to bring our sons up. लड़कियों को तो हमने सिखा दिया, be financially independent, go out, work, build a career for yourself. क्या हमने लड़कों को सिखाया that you will be getting married to such girls? आपको इनके साथ गृहस्थी बसानी है, right? Strong headed girls. Will you be able to handle? उनको सिखाए household chores कि थोड़ा बहुत हाथ हिलाइए यार. जेंडर स्पेसिफिक रोल नहीं है. घर में खाना तो दोनों ही जने बना सकते हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें छोटी छोटी दोनों ही जने कर सकते हैं. So, if it comes from a space where the man is respecting the lady is respecting the man, both of them are doing very well in their specific roles, build a support system at home, or both of you partner and do half and half things. कि ये I will do this, you do this, I will do this, you do. It will be such a beautiful thing, right? So this change has to come.
तो जैसे अभी आपने मेंशन किया अबाउट द बैलेंसिंग रोल्स ऑफ both women and men. This is very like insightful and ये एक बहुत बड़ा question mark है. Not on any particular individual, but on the whole society, because we are making a society. We are the part of society, and we can only do like brings about a change साथ में मिलकर, right? और हर एक इंडिविजुअल की, चाहे वो मेन हो या वुमेन, दोनों की नीड्स होती हैं. बट आज तक सिर्फ ज्यादातर प्रायोरिटी में देखा जाए तो मेल्स की नीड्स को फुलफिल वुमेन करती आई हैं. बट लाइक यू मेंशन्ड कि उनको मटेरियल, सिर्फ इमोशनल नहीं, मटेरियली भी सपोर्ट नहीं दिया गया है वुमेन्स को. बट नाउ दे आर टेकिंग स्टैंड एंड पीपल आर अगेंस्ट इट ऑल, right? Why is it important? And what's your message for all those women who suppress their needs for fulfilling the expectations of the society or the family, and how they can, take their stand, who are still fearing to grow up or develop themselves because they don't want to go against their family and societies. There's still like whole section of women who are like in fear or maybe respect. They call it respect. They don't want to get out of that zone. So what's your message for them?
देखिए, अगर कुछ चेंज लाना है ना, तो आपको अपने कंफर्ट ज़ोन से बाहर निकलना ही पड़ेगा. You will have to come out of your comfort zone, right? If you want to bring about that change within the society, अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है where you are, then it is you who will have to do something about it. कोई बाहर से आके नहीं करेगा आपके लिए, right? So for that simple fact, please understand where you are coming from. What do you want to do? If somebody is happy being a homemaker, best, very good, enjoy it, you know, just do what you're doing. But if you think that nahi mujhe, you know, I'm a homemaker good, but I can really do so much more. मेरा एक पैशन है, मेरी एक हॉबी है जो मैं परस्यू करना चाहती हूँ. आई एम अ गुड एंटरप्रेन्योर, आई एम अ गुड सिंगर, आई एम अ गुड डांसर, आई एम अ गुड पेंटर, आई एम गुड इन आर्टिस्टिक फील्ड, आई एम गुड इन एडवर्टाइजिंग, आई एम गुड इन फिल्म मेकिंग, आई एम गुड इन engineering, I can be an aeronautical engineer, I can be a pilot. Then please spread your wings, because in the end you have one life, darling. आपको regret होगा. I have met so many women. I am associated with a lot of foundations, right? बहुत सारे फाउंडेशंस के साथ एसोसिएटेड हूँ मैं. वहाँ बहुत सारी लेडीज आती हैं who talk about that, you know, they are living with regrets. They may not come out of their comfort zone कि हाँ अब ठीक है जो है, we are adjusting well, but they have regrets, right? You have one life. So दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दैट जो भी मुझे जिस भी चीज़ से नवाजा है ना, प्रभु ने मुझे जिस भी चीज़ से नवाजा है, आई वॉन्ट टू गो एम्प्टी टू द ग्रेव. आई वॉन्ट टू गिव इट आउट एवरीथिंग हियर, माई टैलेंट, my love, my care, my kindness, my compassion, empathy, you know, whatever. And try and be a better person each day. Like from today, I want to be a better person tomorrow. Tomorrow, I want to be a better person day after tomorrow. So, you know, keep doing that and try and reach. You don't know where you're going to reach. Nobody knows. But at least you can be a good human being, right? At least you can, you know, do what you want to do. उसको आप खुद ही कर सकते हैं. Nobody will come and say कि come, बरखा, let me take you. When you go out, you will find ways. जब आप निकलेंगे तो आपको रास्ते दिखेंगे. अगर आप घर पे बैठे रहेंगे, दरवाज़ा ही नहीं खोलेंगे, तो आपको रास्ता दिखेगा ही नहीं ना. फिर आप वहीं रह जाएंगे. Only when you step out will you find a way. So yes, this is what I feel.
और हमने बहुत खूबसूरत बात कही अभी कि हमें वी नीड टू गो टू द ग्रेव एम्प्टी. हम सब कुछ अपना यहाँ
Definitely.
पे लुटा कर चले जाएं with our karmas, right? And one more beautiful thing you have mentioned about, being a homemaker. हमारी मर्जी है तो हम होममेकर बन रहे हैं, एंड दैट्स फैंटास्टिक. बिकॉज एक होममेकर भी एक सीईओ की तरह मैनेज कर रहा होता है पूरा घर जैसे एक
वही
सीईओ
ना,
पूरी
whole
कंपनी को
year,
मैनेज करता है, राइट?
definitely.
So, what's your idea of recognizing and valuing the work of homemakers in gaining traction? Like, what are your thoughts on providing financial compensation for the individuals who do that work? Because they are also equivalent to the CEO of a company, and CEO को remuneration मिलता है, so homemakers को क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है, right? और जो उनको मिलता है उसमें से भी वो बचा लेते हैं कि इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे काम आएगा. They don't spend that money on themselves. They spend it on the house chores or maybe for a emergency purpose. उन्हें डर लगता है कि हम खुद के लिए कुछ खरीदेंगे तो कोई बात नहीं है, पैसे बचा कर रखते होते हैं, राइट? सो उनके लिए एक सेट अमाउंट उनको मिलना चाहिए एज अ रेम्यूनरेशन, राइट? सो हाउ डज
बिल्कुल.
this tie into a broader conversation of gender equality because men are getting that? So what's your take on that?
So, like you mentioned, broader aspect of gender equality, right? If we go to the nitty gritties, तो बहुत कुछ है to talk about. You know, एक ये session से complete नहीं होगा. But yes, in a broader perspective, if we say even Supreme Court had come out with this thing. You know, I was reading an article where the Supreme Court itself said that we should recognize what homemakers are doing. You know, if you really see a homemaker, वो बच्चे संभाल रही है, you know, child care, she's taking care of the elderly at home, medical care, right? She's जिसके लिए आपको, she's driving children around for their classes, everything. She's a driver, she's cooking for them, she's a cook, she's maybe cleaning herself, then she's even a cleaner. If she's not cleaning herself, she's managing, you know, people around, then she is a CEO, like you said. Definitely. Or, you know, the ladies stepped out of their comfort zones to actually do something and to prove a metal. Or there are some women like me who are so passion driven ki we will go ahead, but there are some who actually stepped out because they did not feel worthwhile. Their worth wasn't there at all for whatever they were doing. They were not appreciated. कोई remuneration नहीं है आपको. Even after doing so much, if you have to look up to your husband कि okay, I need, it is, you know, you really feel belittled. I don't know if men ever would understand this feeling, you know. And I think only men who are not really doing well in their life, or you know, young uh, adults who are not doing well in their life and they have to ask for money from their fathers, maybe they will associate with this feeling, right? कि आपको जब मांगना पड़ता है, you know, for, it's not a good feeling. Yeah, you feel belittled. So yes, please keep a separate thing which you are not asking also. What are you doing with this money? That is their earning, right? ये आपका earning है. However, whatever your घर का आपका जो भी scene है, आप, if you are earning in lakhs, you know, give her a good amount. If you are earning in thousands, give her a decently good amount from that, a certain percentage. Yes. And then forget about it. What she does with it, you know, चाहे वो बचाए, चाहे वो अपने अपने पे खर्च करे, अपने folks पे खर्च करे, you know, whatever she does, she should not be answerable to what she's doing with that. And usually I have seen both men and women. I really think from the bottom of my heart that everyone is a good person. Everyone is, you know, is a good person. तो वो usually अगर आप उनको छोड़ देंगे ना, they will, you will see कि वो अच्छा ही कर रहे हैं, आपको बता के ही कर रहे हैं. But this thing of keeping a tab and what have you done with this money, where has it gone, this, that, the other, it's not a very good thing. And usually आप देखो, men folk can spend wherever they want to, they can invest wherever they want to, and not necessarily wherever they have invested they are making profits. But there's nobody to question them. Why? Because he is the bread earner, right? So nobody questions. आप losses कर रहे हैं तो भी कोई question नहीं कर रहा है, profit कर रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है भाई, but there is no questioning. But if a lady invests somewhere और वो अगर loss हो गया, then you had it. So this kind of inequality does exist. It is very, very much there. We have to, as a society, we have to go a long way to bring about changes where, you know, at least the cerebral equality. You know, I was hearing Priyanka Chopra talk about this, that at least wherever there is cerebral equality, wahan pe the may the best person win. If there is a post of a CEO or somebody who's where gender does not come in place, आप cerebrally कितने हैं? How aware are you? Then may the best person win. Shouldn't be like कि, okay, only men are there or only women are there. No. And I'm talking about, like, most chefs are men, right? Jabki it is a domain, female domain. Cooking is a female domain, माना जाता है. But most chefs are men. We don't cry. We're very happy, right? So likewise, I think we should just find a balance, which is very important. And like we call ourselves the fairer sex, they should be given. And then there are too many. I keep reading, and I'm an avid reader, so I keep hearing and reading a lot of men saying, why do women keep cribbing about not being equal for equality? Why do they should feel we are superior? Oh, of course we are. We we were made after you because there were certain things missing in you, which God, He created us afterwards with all those things. So yeah, but ये superior जो भी है वो whatever, it has been for the longest time suppressed. So the suppression should not be there, is all I say.
Um, Definitely, you just mentioned it very rightly and with true like set of words कि men और women को देखा जाए तो men are superior in this society, but also not forgetting about the professional women. जो होम मेकर्स हैं उनको तो रेम्यूनरेशन मिलना ही चाहिए, बट जो प्रोफेशनल वुमेन है, इवन इफ दे आर अर्निंग, दे आर asked to give out their share of income to the family, right? So उस केस में what my opinion is that हम 3 अकाउंट्स बना सकते हैं, जिसमें women का एक अकाउंट है, men का एक अकाउंट है for their individual needs, and a shared account which can go for savings or for house chores, right? Won't
Yeah,
that
yeah,
be
yeah.
good? They should also get their share of earning because they are doing hard work. वो homemakers भी हैं, professionals भी हैं, like you are doing, balancing your professional and personal life very good, right? So,
Definitely.
talking about your profession and going back to your journey again, I'm so curious to know your transitioning from a singer to a image consultant, right? And it must be very
Yes.
interesting journey. I'm like must say after seeing you through. How have you applied your principles of self-love? Because it is very important. आपने ये भी mention किया था. And prioritizing passion in both your singing career and your role as an image consultant. उसके बारे में हमें बताएं.
So this happened. I have done this course for image consulting from ICBI, the Image Consulting Business India, and it has been a beautiful journey. The first time जब ICBI का एक advertisement I had seen, तो उसने मुझे बहुत लेयर किया. I was very intrigued कि ये क्या सिखा रहे हैं ऐसा? What are they teaching us? This was in 2010. And in 2010, I was already doing a lot. I had my plate full because my child was still young that time. So I was taking care of her. I was doing my singing and a lot of other things. So I couldn't pick up, I couldn't do anything with this course, but it stayed on my mind. होता है ना कुछ चीज़ें आपको lure करती रहती है time to time. Every time this advertisement would come, I would again, go. In fact, I had a call also with them, but then I couldn't do. When COVID hit, that was the time we were all sitting at home, right? And we were all relatively free because ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. We were only recording from home and sending stuff. That's when I picked up this and I said, okay, let me make use of good time. And ICBI का online classes तब चल रही थी. And I picked up this course and I thought to myself that coming from an army background, I'm well traveled and, you know, I come from that background, touchwood. So I thought कि क्या ही हम सीखेंगे नया, what more can we learn? But I was amazed. I was really amazed with the kind of knowledge we have and which I got. So it changed so much of my perspective. And I thought I'll apply it in my life first and foremost. पहले तो खुद पे apply करो, to know your own body structure, to know your own face structure. There's so much on image and there's so much on soft skills. So these are life skills, yeah. I feel ये life skills बचपन से सिखाने चाहिए जो हमने अब किए हैं, right? And it immensely helped me in becoming even better and presenting myself in much better way. So I think मेरी ये जो जर्नी है, अगर ये नॉलेज मैं शेयर करूँ लोगों के साथ, बडिंग सिंगर्स, एक्टिंग, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई फील्ड, राइट, बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम दैट फील्ड. तो बडिंग सिंगर्स हैं, एक्टर्स हैं, लोग हैं जो टियर 2 सिटीज़ से आते हैं, हु डू नॉट नो हाउ टू प्रेजेंट देमसेल्व्स, उनको नहीं आता प्रेजेंट करना. तो उनके लिए इफ़ आई कैन कम इन हैंडी एंड आई कैन हेल्प देम, and with a little help, if we can upgrade them, you know, and if they look better, first of all, it's a confidence building exercise. If you look better, you feel better, right? तो और सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में अगर आपको बोलना सिखाया जाए, आपको बॉडी लैंग्वेज रीड करनी सिखाया जाए, ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल मेक यू अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, right? Even for that matter, skincare, a little bit of skincare, so you will glow up, you will look good. All these things included, it can really add on to a person's image, to a person, how it's a personal development. So if we can help, if I can help people like that, so it is more than worthwhile, whatever I have learned. So mera is, I am trying to, uh, put the two together, my singing and the image consulting side by side, for anybody, for like, there is so much of scope. I see I'm already doing a character styling for a film. एक film के लिए character styling I'm doing, and that I can only do because now I'm like an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. Character styling कर रहे हैं लोगों को. अभी तो pro bono, we were doing pro bonos for our friends and family, so they were very happy to learn new things. So yes, I'm very very happy with what I've done. Image consulting has added on to my singing, as a singing career. It's an add on. It adds value. So yes, it is good.
And we can just see that added value in your confidence and the way you have presented yourself in words. Like it's so important, right? To uplift ourselves first and then to help others. But आपने एक और बात कही starting में कि change is the only constant, but हम सिर्फ खुद को change कर सकते हैं. किसी को forcefully हम change नहीं कर सकते, right? जब तक वो इंसान खुद change ना होना चाहे. So empowering clients to build confidence and self-love बहुत ज़्यादा crucial है. It's very tough, right? So can you share those strategies or techniques जो आप use करते हैं अपने clients के लिए to develop these qualities? Because if they're coming to you, it is your responsibility now to handle them in a certain way कि वो convince हो जाए. So what are your techniques and strategies? And additionally, what advice do you have for those individuals who may, have been made to feel like they're nothing? कुछ लोगों को हमेशा से कंडीशन किया जाता है, बोला जाता है तुम कुछ नहीं. तो उनको कंडीशनिंग ब्रेक करना, वो अनलर्निंग का प्रोसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हाउ डू यू डू दैट? के बारे में बताएं.
First of all, the very first thing that I have applied, and I think ICBI also teaches, is that you don't need to convince people. सबसे पहले तो आप कन्विंस लोगों को नहीं कर सकते. You don't need to convince people. You are saying, I am providing this thing, I can help you. अगर आपको हेल्प की ज़रूरत है तो आप आइए, right? So if somebody is coming, reaching out to me for help, which means the person needs help, तो उसको मुझे कन्विंस करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है ना, right? So I'm not there to convince you, darling. If you don't want to look good, if you don't want to uplift yourself, you are happy being where you are, I'm happy. But if you want to look good, if you want to change your own personal style, if you want to be upgraded, I'm there. तो मुझे कन्विंस तो करना ही नहीं किसी को. जिसको ज़रूरत है वो प्लीज़ आए. आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू, राइट? Another thing, to break that conditioning. Yes, ab koi aa gaya, somebody has come with to me, and they have their certain rules, right? They have their certain ways of dressing up, and they are uncomfortable in certain ways. Like I may feel that a spaghetti top will really look nice on the person, but she is not very comfortable with it. Then I have to again change myself. I cannot change the person, and hence that comfort, right? उसको मेरे साथ क्यों comfortable लगेगा? Because I will tell her, okay, you are not comfortable in a spaghetti, though I think it'll look very nice on you. Just wear a sheer cape over it, or just wear a sheer, jacket, long jacket, or something over it. So वो spaghetti भी दिखेगा, आप uncomfortable भी नहीं होगे. This is a very small example I'm giving. That ultimately I will change for my client, right? एंड आई विल ट्राई एंड गेट देम इनटू दैट कंफर्ट जोन कि आपको जो अच्छा लग रहा है उसी के अराउंड हम बिल्ड करेंगे आपका वार्डरोब, आपका स्टाइलिंग, आपका एवरीथिंग, राइट? So this is how this is my strategy. This is how I would do things. And when it comes to soft skills, then if, depending on who and who are my clients, if it's a corporate, then you have to have a stricter way of dealing with soft skills, because soft skills is something which is, you are if you're training a CEO, has to be a different approach. If you're training somebody who's come just from a tier 2 city, doesn't know anything, then it's a different approach. You have to have that empathy, for the person, that okay, guy, I understand you do not know, so learn it as a skill. For the CEO, it will be a different approach. Ki, sir, you are already at a place, right? Now you need to upgrade. So these are the things which you will have to apply in your basic demeanor, and you will have to learn to upgrade yourself if you want to reach places, right? So yes, there is no one way of treating anybody. We should just follow, study the person, and hence ये इतना knowledge जो हमने लिया है किस लिए, for this only ना, कि आप study करें where the person is coming from, what is his background, he or she, whatever, and what are we helping the person with, and design specifically for the person, right? So yes, that is how I think. This is my personal thing. It may vary from one image consultant to another.
Yeah, true.
People may have different takes, but this is my take on my job. Yeah.
Wow, being like customizing your efforts and your strategies is a great idea so that, दूसरे इंसान को comfortable feel हो आपके साथ. It's a very good thing to
Definitely.
do. Wow, doing great. And this is a great
Yes.
thought to carry forward. And ये सारी चीजें सुनने के बाद, I think, like, people are so motivated after listening to you till now that they surely are confident enough that you have boosted up with confidence after uplifting yourself, right? Like, women, you are a like epitome of confidence and you literally show that on your face even if you're nervous, but maybe or maybe not, we are not able to figure that out with your words, with your expressions, the way you look. It's very important. It's all in sync, your words, your thoughts, and your appearance. And that's great idea to represent yourself in a certain way in front of the society or people, right? That is how we create impressions. So before we
Definitely.
let you go, just give a shout out to yourself for your incredible journey because I am sure you're proud of it and the inspirations you have provided as your story is sure to motivate many out there to embark on their own path of self discovery and empowerment. So tell them that it is important to give shout out to yourself and on a regular basis. It is very important. We forget ourselves sometimes. So it is very
Definitely.
important to give shout outs to ourselves. So please
Definitely. I
start the
totally agree.
yeah.
I totally agree, Varka. And it's been such a wonderful time here talking our heart out to each other. And, if somebody can gain insight on anything from our conversations, it'll be really nice. It is something like giving away again. And yes, I want to say, which is not a new thing, everybody knows that each of us are born with something unique. No one is alike, not one is दिखने में भी, leave alone in our habits, leave alone in anything. Our fingerprints are different. Look at nature, it is beautiful the way God has created us, right? Not one resembles the other. They say there are 6 people who look alike, but I don't think I've ever come across anybody else so far. So we are unique. We are one in million billion people. तो आप इतने यूनिक हैं. So, just embrace your uniqueness. There is definitely something which is very, very different from millions that you have, right? So, उसको पहचानिए. क्या है वो आपके अंदर ऐसी चीज जो अलग है? क्या है वो जो हटके है सबसे? So, there is definitely something within you which is different. So, hone that thing. उसको पहचानिए, उसको पानी दीजिए, उस चीज को बढ़ाइए, because that will set you apart from all the others, right? So yes, give a shout out to yourself every day, and especially to the woman, especially to the homemakers, especially to those who are, the 40 plus generation right now. Guys, I have, like, a heart full of love for you guys. You are maintaining so much, you are balancing your life, and you are doing so much. So all my love to you. If you need any help, anything ever, in terms of, even if somebody wants to just talk it out, if somebody wants somebody to hear out, and maybe try and provide guidance in a way that, okay, this is what I did, you can try doing that. Maybe our circumstances are different, but yes, if you need any insight ever, please, you reach out. So we are there for you. And always remember, you're beautiful, you're worth it, and you're one of a kind. So with that, all my love to you, all my love to our listeners, and find the perfect balance, guys,
Definitely.
girls and guys, everybody.
And adding up to your words, I would want to say that you are you're not just a homemaker, just a professional, just a daughter, just a son. You are more than what you really think you are. So it's just a
Definitely.
journey you need to embrace. Don't put yourself in a section कि मैं सिर्फ एक प्रोफेशनल ही हूँ तो मैं होम को नहीं संभालूंगा, या मैं एक होम मेकर ही हूँ तो मैं बाहर नहीं काम कर सकती. It's a journey, and embrace that, because at the end, like Sheetal ji has mentioned, कि हमें अपनी grave में empty जाना चाहिए after pouring it all out, and do your
Definitely.
karmas the best. Right?
Definitely. Always. Always.
So it was
Rightly put.
great talking to you, Sheetal ji. Thank you so much for making time for us and like inspiring and motivating us to the extent that I am just like ready to face this world with confidence.
Thank you. No, thank you so much, Barka, for reaching out and for this lovely interview.
Oh my God.
Because, जब बैठ के बातें होती हैं
Yeah.
between people, and that's when things come up. That's when people can get insight on what is happening around the world, what are people thinking. And if we can, from our interview or from our conversations, if we can even change one life, even if one life feels inspired, then this exercise is worth it,
True.
right?
Definitely. Agreed.
So,
So I'm
yes,
sure people will relate to you and they will get inspired and they would want to reach out to you. So guys, for
so
more
that'll be
motivation, please reach out to Sheetal ji, and I think she'll be a great support to you guys. Thank you so much for doing this
yeah.
again. So thank you for joining us today on Talk Through Thursday. It's been an amazing session filled with insights on equality and self-love. Oh my God, and a lot more to follow. We hope you have gained valuable takeaways from today's guest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on further episodes, and follow us on social media to continue these conversations beyond the show. Remember, your voice matters, and together we can make a difference. Until next time, keep talking, keep listening, and keep making an impact. Pranam.
Okay. Love you. Bye. Take care. Spread love, spread kindness.